Hi, well, we'll now talk a little bit about Cyberduck. So Cyberduck is a program that's similar to WinSCP, so you can use it for securely copying programs or files from one computer to another. So we'll go ahead and we have to first start our connection. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and open a connection. Now we don't want to use FTP, we want to use secure FTP. So we'll switch this to SFTP. When we do that, it switches automatically to port 22. We'll go ahead and type in our server. You can type in your username. It'll save your password if you've already been in here once before, and connect. Okay, so once it does that, it brings up the file listing in your home BeoCat directory. You may not have quite as many files as I currently have in here. So if we go into our class directory and into butane, so we've been dealing with some of these different calculations. Now, if we wanted to download our log file, perhaps to look at it with Multiplot, we could just double click on it, but there are a few options. So if we double click, it might go just directly to our downloads file. So instead, what we can do is choose this action. We can download to a directory or download as, which can allow us to change the file name. So we can go ahead then and download our file. We'll go ahead and change this directory to put it perhaps in our class directory. And then I've actually already downloaded it once. We'll download it again. And brings up a screen showing our transfers. I've noticed Cyberduck, at least today, seems to be taking a little longer than doing it in other ways, but basically, anyways, it does download the file, and we have our new file then that we can use to look at Multiplot. Now we can use it not only for downloading, but for uploading as well. So if we wanted to upload a file, again, we can go over here to this little action button. They're also available up here under File. There's the download and upload buttons there. So whichever you prefer to use. So you can go ahead and upload. You can choose something, perhaps from our class directory. Perhaps we want the docs input.txt file. So you've got your games manual. You can upload that. Spends a little bit of time talking to BeoCat, uploads the document, and it appears in our documents, again, in the My Home Directory class butane. So whichever directory you're interested in, whichever directory you're currently in, it'll go ahead and put it there.